friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. How are y'all doing? Man, I'm having to do everything myself because my little girl's with my mom at the lake, so she's flying solo, my friend. So yeah, I don't know what this is going to look like. Let's hope it's good. So let's see some stories. All right, so we bought a mattress and a box spring. Hasn't been delivered yet, but we did that thing where the guy's going to come up and take our old mattress and box spring away and burn them or whatever, and then bring the new in and set it up for us. So I got to tell my husband, like, maybe we should look under our bed, like... To be honest, we have had this bed, and this is going to be a shameful, but we have had this bed, I want to say since 2003, 4, or 5. It's been at least 15 years, and both my husband and I wake up every morning like, oh yeah, it's like, yeah, that's like first world problems, but still, the struggle. I'm too fat to be laying on that old ass bed, so we got a new one. It's Memorial Day it was, so there was sales on, honey, and you know me, I love a bargain. I don't like to pay full price for anything. I will, but I don't have to like it. So I made a list. I did clean out underneath my bed, okay, and I made a list of the things I found. And I brought some of those things in here to show you because y'all would not believe me, but they're here. Okay, first thing, 17 assorted pills like Excedrin, Motrin. Okay, there were a couple of good things in there, but so old, who knows? I had to throw them all out. Like, scary. But yeah, and some things I was like, is this an antibiotic? What is this? We found 2 guitars, which I guess my husband knew about them, but I didn't. A guitar case and a guitar stand. Like, what is this? It's like the TARDIS thing in the Doctor Who, or the Who. What is it called? Doctor Who? Yeah, you just keep reaching in there, and it's like never ending. Lube. Girl, why are we... we don't... Listen, we don't need that. I'm telling you right now, Mommy and Daddy do not. But we found it. I mean, what am I, a porno star? Like, girl, I know. I don't even know. I'm just that good, I guess. I don't know. That was weird. Little Debbie wrappers, candy bar wrappers, a 2-pound sealed bag of peanuts in the shell. Like we're at, Longhorn or Texas Roadhouse or something. In my bedroom. Okay. A tub of caramel corn. Yeah. All the foodstuffs we did throw out. Whew. There wasn't really much in it. 9 flip-flops. Girl, 9. Not 8. Not 10. About 9. Look at this, though. So my youngest is 12, but look... These were hers. Under my... We're going to have to do a little better, aren't we? Yeah. 3 house shoes. 3. Not 2. Not 4. 3. Can't find a pair of nothing around here. Ooh, Lord. Except for lube. We got tons of that. A Conway Twitty album. Seriously. My dog's Christmas and Halloween sweaters. We're going to keep them. This one surprised me. The damn elf on the shelf wrapped around an empty bottle of wine. We've been looking for Sparkle since, I don't even know, 2012. She'd been gone. She left 1 year and did not come back. Oh, God. Sparkle. A letter from Carol Baskins. It was a cease and desist. No, I'm just kidding. 22 dryer sheets. Maybe not that much, but a lot. Okay. A lot. An iPhone 4 and an iPhone 5 and an iPod from way back in the day. Go figure. I don't know. This I wanted to show you guys. I found a wipes box from back in the day, like a butt wipe box. I guess for the kid. I don't know where this came from. But girl, can y'all see what it says faintly in there? Purse fund. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Seriously, purse fund from who knows. I'm $46.73 closer to a Chanel bag, babes. Woo! Can you even, like, why? Okay. And the best thing that I found, well, I also found this humongous. Listen, I guarantee you, I got this for Valentine's Day and ate the whole box. The struggle. Seriously, though. She empty, girl. Y'all know I would have seriously considered trying to eat one of these. No, I'm just kidding. Am I, though? Yeah. But the best thing I found, some scissor. Like last year, I can remember this too. Last year I had like a terrible, or maybe it was a year before, had like one of those respiratory, and they must have given it to me, and I was like, blah, 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 dropped, never seen it again. But she might come in handy. You never know. You just never know. Today I have an unboxing that is totally inspired by Styled by Gwenny. If you guys don't watch her, you need to. She's totally entertaining. She has cool stuff. And to me, I think she has one of the best British accents ever. And I ask her all things British. Like, I watch a lot of BBC, and something might come up, and I don't know what it means. And I go, hey, girl. Yes, I could Google it, but that takes all the fun out of harassing her. But yeah, the other day she was like, oh my God, am I like your all things British dictionary? I'm like, you sure are. Anyway, she got something the other day. She did a video yesterday, and I was so intrigued. I watched this video like 3 times. Am I a little stalkerish? What else have I got to do? So I did watch this video, and I was amazed at the thing that she got. I immediately hit her up and was like, I'm going to order this into a video, and I'm going to mention you, okay? She was like, yeah. Stalk much? Go ahead. So, that is exactly what it is. And I got this item, I think it was yesterday or day before. Did she do it yesterday or day before? It might have even been Wednesday, but I ordered it immediately, and this beast came today. I guess it was Wednesday. I'm losing all track of time and place. I'm losing it. So, right off the bat, it is some Gucci. So it's not a bag or anything, but it is, I really don't even know what you call it, but it's a lipstick. Now, I told her in the video, or on her video, I commented and I said, I'm going to order this because I never wear makeup. And the only time that I wear lipstick is when I do a video. I know you can't even hardly tell. But I said, I have been using a Sephora. You know when it's your birthday and you go into Sephora and they give you a free gift? I've been using this NARS. Yeah. And she did, honey. Look, she pan. Is that what you call it? She's hit pan. She's done. So I had to have a new one. That's how old she is. Whoops, she dropped. All right, so what you get with this lipstick, and I want to say the lipstick was like $40 range, $42.99, something. It didn't cost me any more than like $45 with tax and all. So, and it came super lightning quick. So I guess you get your fancy receipt. Like, the packaging costs more than the actual lipstick. So, but, okay, so like her, I got my little box and I got my little bag. Okay, girl. Yes. Let's just see what mommy's working with. You can't really tell online, like, colors, can you? I mean, I don't know anyway. I'm not good at that. Oh, hell no. She got, a dust bag. I got tissue. Wow, Wah, wah. Way to phone it in, Gucci. Well, she's in the UK and I'm in the US, so, you know, we're a little stingier over here, I guess. Okay. I was going to see if it's like Chanel paper, and I don't know. It's not. Girl, it's just regular. And hers was wrapped up like in one of those sealable packages. So this one's taped shut. Gives me a little pause, a little bit of concern, but we're going to look at it good. I'm not trying to put lipstick somebody else's hat on. Ooh, honey. Unless it's Gwenny. Listen, I'm telling you, I don't know what got into me the other day. I watched her video, but her lips are so nice. And I have those thin, look, they disappear. Yeah. I did shave my mustache for y'all. Okay. Yes, girl. And the one that I got was the satin finish, which is just what she got because I didn't want to do anything different because I loved the way hers looked. And she wore that beast for 5 hours and it still looked good. There was still... Now, I do this a lot, especially when I have, you know, lipstick on, so I don't know. Oh, okay. No, she's not been touched, honey. But can you see... It's got the Gucci on there. I don't know if you can see or not because my little gal's not here. Now, I'm going to try it. I don't have much to work with. But, let's try it out. It is very ornate and beautiful. It best be a lipstick for $45. I've lost my mind. Okay. Uh-huh. I am not mad at you. Mmm. Okay. I sort of like rub the corners in. I like how it's sort of, it feels really good. And it smells really good too. Anyway, I was saying, I feel like it's like satiny on my lips, but it's not like ba-bam. Like you'd have to put a gloss over it for it to be like, you know, J-Lo shiny or whatever. I like it. And I like this color on me, or am I just tripping? What do you guys think? I think on the website, she was saying that it said you could use it as eyeshadow, and or am I just, I don't know. I think she said that. But what do you guys think? Is it look crazy on old lady? Please tell me the truth. But don't hurt my feelings, because I can't deal with that today. I'm right on the edge, guys. I'm right on the edge of laughing hysterically or crying like crazy. Anyway, thank you, Gwenny, for definitely turning me on to this. It's very ornate and beautiful. Like, it's going to look precious in one of my bags. I'm carrying a bag, which I'm not going anywhere, but I am, you know, carrying it around the house because somebody commented on a video the other day that, like, girl, you just need to get them bags out and carry them around the house. And the Antigona Givenchy bag that I just got from Fashion File, I've got my stuff in there and she's going all around. I'm still undecided about getting an Amazon strap. It's like a leather strap from Amazon for it. I don't know. I don't want to, I'm thinking I'm having lipstick on my teeth. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today. I'll have some more videos coming up. I've got an Amazon haul video. Oh yeah, I've got a Louis Vuitton item that I ordered. Very small. Nothing great big. Kind of like this lipstick, but that's okay. It's still luxury, and that's what we're all about, right? Hey, I'm going to link, I am going to link her video on this. I meant to say that earlier, but I'm linking her video down below. Actually, in the description box. Not. I'm crazy today. But listen, we do not want my husband to know about a $45 lipstick. Ooh, girl. y'all. If y'all see my husband, don't tell him nothing. Bye.